Alright, welcome to another tutorial. I think I've got my recording stuff figured out, so we should be good. So we're going to start up here. Some mistakes I see people make. Wild trues. Not exactly something that you want. You want to put a Boolean value variable in there so you can control whether it stops or not. Also, new keywords. Every time you call that, it has to allocate more memory for a bitmap. So there's about 4 bytes per pixel and about 1 million pixels if it's 1000 by 1000. So 4 million bytes every time you call that, I don't know. You really only need to call it once, and you can clear it if you need to, change the screen. Same thing here. Reassignment instead of a loop, you don't need that. That's not good. Here, new keywords again, you don't need these. So ideally what you do is create the variable outside of your loop and then define all these things, right? All this stuff, and then if there's any adjustment that needs to be made beforehand, you do it right before the thing actually loops. So, and then you have this little variable called loop, which you can set to true or false while it's running. Now, of course, if you multi-thread, you can do that. If you just have it threading like this, then you'd have to have it in here inside the thread changing that. So keep that in mind. But yeah, this sort of a thing here will run at a much higher efficiency than this sort of a thing. You'll run out of memory doing this actually. So yeah, which is not a good thing. So just some thoughts on that. Things will run faster, smoother, you use less memory, etc. And oh yeah, commenting is always good if you're going to work on the project with more than one person, or if someone's going to work on it later. If you're just learning and you're testing things, you don't really need comments, but if you're actually working on a real project, you definitely want to comment your code. So anyways, I think that's all I have to say for now. Hopefully this recorded fine. I had some issues recording this one earlier with different recording software, so I'm trying some stuff out to see if this works. So see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye.